Hey everybody, hope you're all good out there. I'm finally back with a video. It's been so long since I last posted, I do apologise. And to anyone that commented on any of the other videos, I'm so sorry I haven't been there. I've been busy on another platform on the Steam blockchain called DTube, where I've been posting DIY videos and skate videos, and I've been earning cryptocurrency. But I'm not here to talk about that today. Today, you want to find out, and I want to find out too, can you tie bleach a pink t-shirt? Most people only use black t-shirts, and they're kind of predictable. We kind of know what happens with them. We've seen that a million times. And I found this old pink t-shirt and I thought, let's tie this up, put some bleach on it and see what colour this goes. Quick note, if you did see my other video, you'll be pleased to hear there's no spinning around in this one. I learned my lesson last time with that, so let's just keep it only the t-shirt spinning around today, and let's get on with it. So we're back here, you know the deal, elastic bands, rubber glove, and the bleach itself to do the job. The skull is here. So I'm going to keep my finger on it there. Okay then, let's go and get in the bathroom, get some bleach on this, let's go. Right, we've made it to the bathroom. Okay, I've got the bleach here, and as you'll see I've also got my safety goggles on, because if this stuff starts splashing around, you really don't want it going in your eyes. You'll be in big trouble, and your t-shirt might come out bad. Anyway, let's get on with this. Yeah, that's got plenty on it now, so we can just leave that and just let it do its magic, and we'll come back in about 10 minutes. Okay, that's had a lot longer than I expected to leave it. I left it actually for about 20 minutes in the end, so it really didn't look like it was doing much until about 5 minutes ago. But I don't actually burn holes in it, because that can happen with bleach. So it's time to wash it out now, so I've got my goggles on, and we're finally going to find out what actually happens if you tie bleach a pink t-shirt. Whoa, look at that. This looks like it's going to be really good. Oh, hope it looks like this once it's dry. Okay, shall we have a quick preview? Let's do it. Wow. Wow. I missed the skull though. About 2 inches off. Right, just got to squeeze the last bit of water out now. It's nice and clean, all the bleach has come off. And then I'm going to dry it quickly, and we're going to come back to see how this is actually going to look when I wear it. Whoa, sorry guys, you just fell off the chair there. But I think you're all good. T-shirt's looking good. Back to the plan, gonna go and dry this, and then we're gonna see what it looks like. Yo! Well, that came out a lot better than I was expecting. T-shirt's proper dry now. You can really see how I managed to miss up where I was supposed to get the spiral to start from, but that's cool, because again, this is more just a colour test, because that's what you guys asked for. So yeah, well that's pink. Tie bleached. Comes out like that. Goes to light pink. So yeah, that's it guys. Well, let me know what other colour shirts you want me to do next, because I'm up for this. I'm going to do more of these. And apologise again for not responding to the comments on my other video, but I am going to be responding to this. Anyway, that's it for today. Hope you like this. I think it's amazing. Well stoked on that. So yeah, if you want to check out those videos I mentioned earlier on DTube, I'll leave the link to my DTube channel. Like I said, it's skateboarding and other stuff. And you can see underneath each video how much cryptocurrency I've earned, because that's a way to do it if you don't have enough subscribers and watch time on YouTube to get monetized. There's alternatives now, and they're pretty cool. So yeah, that's it guys. See you next time. Laters.